Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rona Jean TV. Ngayon, mag-Q&A at saka magmimiga-miga love shoutout ako! Hi guys! Magmimiga-miga love shoutout muna ako bago yung baka ipapahuli ko na yung Q&A. Mega love shoutout sa team vloggers abroad. Mega love shoutout Sir Jonathan Manabat. Mega love shoutout Ronzay Nolan. Mega love shoutout Akimi James. Mega love shoutout Iris Alfonso Opena. Mega love shoutout Jung Mick. Mega love shoutout Joey BDR. Mega love shoutout Lovin Villanueva. Rinar Jandigo. Mega love shoutout. Mega love shoutout Ron Delmo Borja. Mega love shoutout Swift FC. Mega love shoutout sa inyong lahat. At mega love shoutout syempre sa tatlo kong sisterat. Mega love shoutout Sis Kirina Katubray, Sis Elonga Vlogger, Sis Jing Mandab, Able Grace Do, Ilocano Angler, mega love shoutout, Rosevine Channel, mega love shoutout, mega love shoutout Sis Charlotte Indino, mega love shoutout Buhay OFW, nasa Malaysia siya. Maraming salamat sis sa palagi mong susuporta sa akin. At saka ako dito, magbe-base ako sa nag-comment sa mga video ko. Magmimiga-miga. Matagal na siguro akong hindi naka-miga-miga love shout. Miga-miga love shout out Ju Pate. Rosebine Vlog, miga-miga love shout out, nasa Lebanon siya. ETV channel, mega love shout out. Mega love shout out Isabel Olivia, mega love shout out. Mega love shout out Hello Mars, Josephine Abres, nasa US siya. Dream 168, mega love shout out. Sis Jing Mandap Tips again, mega love shout out. Marical Pabilar, mega love shout out sis. Mega love shout out again Able Grace Do. Filipina expat in Ecuador, mega love shout out. Mega love shout out Ayla Bangla. Ayla Bangla mega love shout out Life Influencer Channel. Mega love shout out. Mega love shout out GMTV UK. Popcorn in UK, mega love shout out. Dion Music TV, mega love shout out. Gretel and Dave, mega love shout out. Nick Bergs OFW Vlogs, mega love shout out. Nanay Leads TV, mega love shout out. Lin TV Vlogs, mega love shout out. Zane Nolan Channel, mega love shout out sa iyo sis. Pasal Ambalgan, mega love shout out. Sana all Filipina girl, mega love shout out. Rob Aris, mega love shout out. Romel Abanales from General Trias Cavite, mega love shout out. Helen Store Vlog, mega love shout out. Mega love shout out again to Sis Kirina Katuray from San Pablo, Laguna. Mega love shout out. Isabel Olivia from UK, mega love shout out. Rosebine Vlog from Lebanon, mega love shout out. Elonga Vlogger from Mindanao, Philippines, mega love shout out. Buhay OFW, Malaysia, nasa Malaysia siya, mega love shout out sis. Sis Charlotte Indino, mega love shout out. Iban Jean Channel, mega mega love shout out. Katripper Vlogs from Batangas. Hello sir, mega mega love shout out sa iyo. Able Grace Do from Cavite, mega mega love shout out. Let's sing dance and fish etc. Mega mega love shout out. Ana Locernas, mega mega love shout out. ATV channel, nasa KSE yata siya. Mega mega love shout out sa iyo kabayan. Saint Nolan channel from Spain. Mega mega love shout out. Pilipina and Republic. hindi ko hindi ko ma-pronounce. Mega mega love shout out. Just for Fun Vlogs. Mega mega love shout out. Waray Waray Upay Vlogs, nasa Kuwait yata siya or Saudi. Mega mega love shout out. Akil's Life in USA, mega mega love shout out sis. Mick TTB from Taiwan, mega mega love shout out. Mega mega love shout out Uni Rider 59. Bricoros TV, mega mega love shout out. Eldong Furniture KSA, mega mega love shout out. Tinay TV, mega mega love shout out. Knit Stamp, mega mega love shout out. Just keep uploading, mega mega love shout out. Pajakirong Layas, mega mega love shout out. IG Sabel, IG Sabel, mega mega love shout out. Genius Lifetime Vlogs USA, mega mega love shout out. Mega mega love shout out again sa aking kumare, Josephine Abres, nasa US siya. Mega mega love shout out Ilocano Angler, nasa USA din siya. Mega mega love shout out Alvin MTB, mega mega love shout out. Mega mega love shout out again Ate GB TV. Lucas Khalil, mega mega love shout out. Art 23, mega mega love shout out. Buds Vlog, mega mega love shout out. Jewel Channel from UK, mega mega love shout out. Pops Loben from USA again, mega mega love shout out. My Simple C, mega mega love shout out. Mega mega love shout out Hindi Guwapa, Hindi Maganda, mega mega love shout out. Mega mega love shout out again Gandang Hari. Jeans TV channel, mega mega love shout out. Fitness Farm channel, mega mega love shout out. Ehard Fads TV Vlogs, mega mega love shout out. Subscribe to my main channel down below, mega mega love shout out. Mega mega love shout out Randy Tilikan, mega mega love shout out. Elviro Camel TV, mega mega love shout out. Mega mega love shout out Ishada Sadik Vlogs, mega mega love shout out. Robes, mega mega love shout out. Babaeng Jiday, mega mega love shout out. Pilipina G in Italy, mega mega love shout out. Mars Luis channel, mega mega love shout out. Adobo Vlogs, mega mega love shout out. Anita Dumpit, mega mega love shout out. Sok Sergeant OFW, nasa KSE yata siya, mega mega love shout out. Kalikasan Vlog 1, mega mega love shout out. Mario Panganiban, mega mega love shout out. Pretty May, mega mega love shout out. Mega mega love shout out again I love Bangla. Mega mega love shout out Sir Arthur Blanco YTV, mega mega love shout out. Elry Birona, mega mega love shout out. Start na naman tayo sa Q&A, question and answer. Mayroon kasing mga question dito, nagtatanong sa akin kung tuloy ba ang uwi ko this year. Sa ngayon, hawak ko na yung aking passport at saka aking ticket. Ayan yung aking Ayan yung aking aking ticket is Philippine Airlines. Tapos yung passport ko, hawak ko na. Ayan. Yan yung passport ko. Siguro mga, hindi ko alam kung pang-anim na to na rin yun. At last, last na talaga yung 10 years. 10 years na talaga. Ayan. 10 years. Ang